Okay, say cheese. Emily, say cheese and look at the camera. Put this. Oh, Emily, I need to take a picture of you. Looks like you're not going to be in the world of family. Look. Do you want to? Well, then lay down. Lay down or you won't be in it. Okay, ready? Can you lay on double? Lay on double? That would be easy to get you to lay down. Cheese. Say cheese. Look at the camera. The camera's right here. No, you have to look at me. Oh. Okay, so. Like cheese. Ready? Say cheese. Cheese. No, I'm right here. Look at me. Say cheese. Look up and say cheese. You're okay. Emily, you're okay. Just look up and say cheese. Oh, looks like we're going to make a world family, but say cheese, Emily. Oh, oh my. Mom, do I look good? Is my face like in here?
Put your arms out straighter. Your arms straighter. Elbow straight. Other elbow, Casey, with the camera in it.
I can't.
You can't put this elbow straight? There you go.
Ready, now, press. Is it good?
That's it.